My name is Noah Napoleon, and this is my wife, Jeannie Napoleon. And we are the group leaders of Hiva Kātoa, based out of San Diego, California.
For Hiva Kātoa's Ōte'a, the dancers we have are Ivana, Ava, Chloe, Maddie, and Kayomi. For Hiva Kātoa's Ōte'a presentation, we'd like to present Uriri Te Mana, the Uriri bird. During COVID, it was a hard time for all Ōte'a Tahiti groups out there. We were lucky enough to team up with the Vahine in Japan and Ōte'a in Anaheim and have our first online competition during that hard time, during COVID. And it was called Ōte'a. Each group was able to present a tunupurau, or a theme that we did research on, and the Vahine presented Uriri. We chose this one because a few of our girls that you see today, they were able to perform it and record it professionally, and sometimes Aotearoa. For us, the Uriri bird, it's like Ōte'a Tahiti. We all share a love for it, and it travels around the world and brings us together. Thank you so much, Ōte'a Tahiti, and we hope you enjoy.
With our last presentation tonight, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from San Diego, California, Hiva Kātoa. Representing the Uriri bird all the way from San Diego, California, Hiva Kātoa.